affairs show you.
How to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. Follow these easy steps to turn on your iPhone flash on notifications. Go to your iPhone settings and here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here scroll down and search for audio and visual. Tap on that. And here scroll down and under visual section you will get LED flash for alerts option. Just tap on it. And now to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call, you have to enable this LED flash for alerts option. And now if you want to flash your iPhone for notifications when your iPhone is unlocked, you have to enable this option. Also, if you want to flash your iPhone when your iPhone is in silent mode, enable this option. This is how we can make our iPhone flash when we receive our notifications or calls. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.